Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and place some sealants today. If this was a real patient, we would clean the occlusal surface with pumice, and you can place the pumice on your prophy cup. After we clean the tooth, we would apply 37% phosphoric acid. The phosphoric acid will clean the tooth, remove the smear layer, allow for more penetration of the sealant into the tooth, thereby increasing retention there. So that's why we would do the acid etch it. For our purposes, we'll skip the step here. Our sealant is going to come in a syringe here, light cured sealant. This is a hydrophobic sealant that releases fluoride. And you should also have in your kit the cannula. You're going to remove the cap here, and you're going to go ahead and place the cannula on, or applicator tip. And now let's pretend we acid etch the tooth, we dry the tooth. So it's a hydrophobic sealant, so we have to dry the tooth. In a real tooth, it'll appear frosty in appearance, and now we're going to apply it on the pits and fissures. I find it helpful to start in the central pit area, and then I'm going to go ahead and express some in the central pit. Then I'm going to use my metal cannula tip to spread it into the pits and fissures. So I have a little bit of excess material. That's okay. I'm just going to take the tip and take off the excess material. I'm just going to remove some of this excess material with the cannula tip. And I'm just going to try to get into all the pits and fissures and avoid any of the triangular ridges. I have a little bit too much, so I'll take a little bit off with the cannula tip. There's one sealant. I'll go ahead and do the other sealant on the second molar here. Again, I'll start at the central pit here, and then I'll use the cannula tip, or you can use your Explorer from your hygiene kit to spread it around here into the pits and fissures. And then I'll also get the buccal pit as well, because caries is going to be commonly found on those buccal pits as well. And then for light cure unit, you can also use your overhead lamp from your hygiene loops, and you're just going to keep it there a little bit longer. You're probably going to keep it there for a good minute to get these sealants to set here. Let me try to zoom in. Let's see, we can see the sealant on it a little bit better. There you can see the sealant in the pits and fissures. I added a little bit more than I would like, but it's easier to see if I added more sealant material for this demonstration. But on a real life patient, I would add a little bit less. I do see a void on that first molar. I trapped air. Let me see if I can locate it for you. I trapped air here, so I want to try to remove that. With the cannula tip, spreading it around here, making sure there's no voids or pockets of air I trapped. Okay, and there we have a sealant. Again, you're going to go ahead and light cure that with your loop light.